FootingPad, engineered composite footings for decks and post frame buildings that save time, labor, and hassle. Installation of FootingPad footings is simple and no concrete is required. You will want to have on hand a tape measure and optionally marking paint, a post hole digger or auger, a bubble level, a board or other tamper for compacting soil, structural posts or columns, a shovel, and FootingPad footings. To add uplift resistance, which is optional, you'll also need a hammer, framing nails, and 2 short pieces of lumber. Start by establishing the location of your first post. Place a FootingPad footing on the ground and use it as a reference to measure the location for additional post holes. For convenience, marking paint can be used to outline the hole size and location. Next, dig the post holes using a manual post hole digger or a powered auger. The hole should be slightly wider than the FootingPad diameter and deeper than the frost line. Use a board, soil tamper, or other tool to level and compact the soil at the bottom of the hole. Place the FootingPad footing in the bottom of the hole with the smooth side down. There is no need for concrete, which is heavy, requires mixing and curing time, and is prone to cracking. FootingPad eliminates the need for concrete entirely, saving you time, labor, and hassle. Next, place the post in the hole so that it is approximately centered on top of the FootingPad. It doesn't need to be perfect, though the bottom of the post should not extend past the outermost raised ring. Optionally, to provide uplift resistance, you can add wood or metal cleats to the post. The simplest method is to attach 2 short pieces of lumber perpendicular to the bottom of the post using standard framing nails. The cleats should extend approximately 6 inches beyond each side of the post. Start to backfill the hole around the post with the original soil. Again, there is no need to add concrete. Use a board or other tamper to compact the backfill around the post every 12 inches as you fill the hole. Check with the level to ensure the post is positioned straight. It's that simple. FootingPad footings meet or exceed the load capacity of concrete footings while being lightweight, easy to use, and guaranteed to perform. To learn more and start your project on a solid footing, visit FootingPad.com.